Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Tecno Camon 30 Pro, one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of 2025. Tecno has been stepping up its game in mobile innovation, and this device proves they are serious about delivering high-end features at a competitive price. Let's break down what makes the Camon 30 Pro stand out. Starting with the design, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro brings a sleek and premium feel with a glass back and aluminum frame. The device is slim yet sturdy, with a comfortable grip that makes one-handed use effortless. It comes in multiple color options, including a stunning gradient finish that shifts under different lighting angles. The camera module is redesigned for a modern look, featuring a triple camera setup housed in a raised rectangular frame that blends seamlessly into the back panel. The front of the device is nearly all screen, thanks to its ultra-slim bezels and a tiny centered punch hole for the front camera. Moving to the display, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. This makes scrolling and animations incredibly smooth. The full HD resolution ensures crisp details and vibrant colors, perfect for media consumption, gaming, and everyday use. With HDR10+ support, the screen delivers deeper blacks and brighter highlights, making videos more immersive. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, adding to the premium experience. Under the hood, the Camon 30 Pro is powered by a high-performance MediaTek Dimensity chipset, providing a balance of speed and efficiency. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, this phone can handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications with ease. Tecno's custom UI, based on Android 14, brings fluid animations and useful features while keeping the interface clean and user-friendly. One of the standout features of this phone is its camera system. The main camera is a 108MP sensor, capturing highly detailed shots even in challenging lighting conditions. The advanced night mode enhances low-light photography, reducing noise while maintaining clarity. The secondary cameras include a 13MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more in a single frame and a 2MP depth sensor for portrait shots. On the front, there's a 50MP selfie camera with AI enhancements for sharper and more natural-looking selfies. The video recording capabilities are impressive, with support for 4K recording, ultra-steady stabilization, and AI-powered scene optimization. Battery life is another area where the Camon 30 Pro shines. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day with heavy use. With 70W fast charging, the phone can go from 0 to 50% in just under 20 minutes, making it one of the fastest charging devices in its segment. Other notable features include stereo speakers with DTS audio for an enhanced sound experience, 5G connectivity for ultra-fast internet speeds, and an IP53 rating for dust and splash resistance. Tecno has also improved software support, promising at least 2 major Android updates and regular security patches. Overall, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro is a powerhouse mid-range device that delivers premium features without the flagship price tag. From its stylish design and vibrant display to its powerful performance and impressive camera setup, this phone is built to compete with more expensive rivals. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with top-tier specs, the Camon 30 Pro is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Tecno Camon 30 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you in the next video on FK iPhone.